Hello, hello mga guys. Have a nice day, everyone. The weather naman in Jordan is sunny day, guys. This is the outside view of the gym, mga guys. Please like and follow me. Share also. Thank you for watching. Love you all, mga guys. Amo dyan amon, guys, nga gym, guys. Amo dyan makita mo, guys, ang outside yung amon nga gym. May mga statue kang mga singer. May darang ano guys, may guitar. Mga singer mo dyan mga guys. Very nice statue mga guys. No? Outside kang amon nga gym mga guys. And this is the view. Because it is sunny day mga guys. Very nice view mga guys. Love you all mga guys. Thank you for watching.